Whoa, shit. Sorry about that. I am popped up as I started to record, which I didn't expect. So anyway, what's going on, everyone? DSP here, and I want to talk a little bit about the Resistance 3 multiplayer beta because I want to play it. Right now it's currently almost 4 p.m. on Monday, July 25th. Now keep in mind, I live on the East Coast of the United States, so that's Eastern Standard Time, but I want to know what's going on. If anyone has any information on what the hell is going on with this beta, I'd like to know, because here's the deal. Like many people, I bought SOCOM 4, so I got a voucher, which you know it's really hard to see, but it's a voucher. It says Resistance 3 multiplayer beta, and there's a code on the back, and it says basically this beta starts on July 25th, and here's a website. It's actually beta.myresistance.net/promotion, and it says go there for information on the beta. So I went there, and first of all, before I even went to this page, just so everyone knows, ahead of time, before July 25th, I tried to redeem this code on PlayStation Network. It does not work. It says that it's either an invalid code, or maybe you're not within the time frame you're supposed to be entering the code. That's the error message you get, okay? So then I said, okay, let me go to the website where they said, right on the code, they said go here for information. So I go here, and it says, you must redeem your voucher between July 25th and August 18th, 2011. It is July 25th, so I waited until, first of all, midnight, which was basically the beginning of July 25th. The code still didn't work. Then I waited till 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, because technically maybe they're thinking West Coast time. The code still didn't work. This morning when I woke up, I tried the code. The code still didn't work. And now I just tried it again. The code still doesn't work. So I'm not sure what's going on right now with the Resistance 3 beta. Now, some people might say, well, Phil, you're just being an idiot, because don't you know that PlayStation Network only updates on Tuesday nights? And, okay, that's fine, but if that were the case, why are they telling me to enter this code on July 25th? Why can't these guys correspond and corroborate with the people of PlayStation Network so that we all know exactly when the beta starts, okay? So then I started searching the internet for information on this beta to see if I can get any more information on when it starts. Maybe, maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe this website's outdated or whatever. So the first thing I did is I signed up for email updates, which I have not gotten any of, okay? Then I went to the PlayStation forums, and let me tell you something. These forums are completely useless. You can't find anything on them. They're horrible. They look bad. They're sorted badly. It's just a hot mess. So don't ever look on PlayStation forums for information. I did go to the PlayStation blog, which has a lot of interesting stories. Looks like that the EVO World Championships fighting game tournament is going to be streamed over PlayStation Home, which is an interesting thing there. It shows that EVO is fully partnered with Sony, which is why they play their games on PS3, even though a lot of the times those are the inferior versions of the game. But I digress. There's all kinds of updates here. Look, there's an Infamous 2 user-generated content update that's for free, that's online, that's available now. Guess what? No one cares, because the user-generated content for that game fucking sucks. But anyway, just looking at all the stores, I'm looking at the stories. There's absolutely nothing here about the Resistance 3 beta. You would think there would be, considering that is a major thing. It's pretty much a new game that you can play today, supposedly, and there's no information on the PlayStation blog about it. So then I resorted to a Google search and started searching around. I said, maybe I'm mistaken, maybe I'm wrong, maybe something's changed, and I'm just, I'm not in the know of what's going on. So I started searching the internet, and then finally I found this article from July 22nd on Shaq News. I don't know, who knew that Shaq had a gaming news website? That was a bad joke. But anyway, Resistance 3 beta will start in August. Browser tie-in is now live. And I said, oh shit, okay, maybe it got delayed. But then I actually read it and it says no. The report also states that the beta will include modes from Team Deathmatch, blah, blah, blah. Sony previously promised that early access of the beta will be given with a code and some copies of SOCOM 4, so you'll have a head start. Here's my code. I can't use it. So what gives with Sony? Like, when does this beta start? Why are the makers of the game telling me that the beta starts today? It's 4 p.m. The beta still isn't working. Now, could my code be bad? Could it be as simple as a typo on my code? I suppose so. But I only have one code. So I guess what I'd like to ask everyone is anyone in this beta right now? Is anyone playing it? Is anyone able to get onto the Resistance 3 beta and play it? Is anyone even able to enter your code yet? Because I've been trying and it just doesn't work for me, and I'm not sure what the hell's going on. Maybe I'm just unlucky. Maybe my code's a dud, and that happens, I guess. You know, oops, typo, you're fucked. So there's nothing I can do about it. But if that is the case, but I'd like to know from everyone, is anyone playing the beta? Does anyone have any information on when this officially does start? Because it's very unclear. The site you're supposed to check has no information. It says that it's supposed to start today, but doesn't say when. The voucher doesn't say anything. PlayStation forums don't say anything. PlayStation blog doesn't say anything. I don't understand why they can't spread information that people would be looking for, but I guess that means that they would actually be useful. So, alright, that's it. Just putting this up quickly. If anyone knows anything, please respond in a comment so that we can figure this out.